Styling your hair in the best possible way complements your looks. For styling straight hair or wavy hair, it is quite easy compared to frizzy hair, which stands out and I might sound offensive, it looks like a bush when you leave it. So for such kind of hair, you need not worry. Today I am going to show you a very simple hairstyle of styling such kind of hair, and trust me, thereafter you are really going to fall in love with this kind of look. Of course, for hair that is too frizzy, which stands out, you cannot set them. The most difficult part is that you cannot leave them open. Unlike wavy hair or straight hair, you can at least leave them open, or you can just tie a high pony and let it be. But for very curly hair, frizzy hair, you cannot do that because it does not really give you a very good appearance when someone looks at it. So for this, the best possible way is to tie it up together. However, tying it up together needs to be tied in a way that people would actually be attracted to the look, and that is the look I am going to share in today's video. So before I proceed forward, I would like to request those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it, so that you do not miss out on any updates that I post on my upcoming videos. You'll have to comb the hair very well, and thereafter from the end of the eyebrow you have to take a triangle shape in this way. The end of the eyebrow will be a good point for you all to know where you all have to part the hair from, and then split it into 3 sections and start braiding. You'll do the first step of the braid, and thereafter you will move on to the second step, and then when you're doing the third braid, you pull in a section from the other side, from the corner. Since you all cannot see that side on the camera, I'll show it on this side when I'm taking the section. Now I've taken the braid part, and I'll take a little bit of hair, a section, and move it in this way. I'll continue braiding in this style, taking section by section of the hair for it to look very neat. Ensure that you have a firm hold when you are braiding the hair in this way while taking sections, because usually what happens when we try taking sections, we might loosen our grip on the braid that we are maintaining. So ensure that your grip on the braid is firm enough, and continue doing the sections. Now let me tell you, with this kind of texture of hair, it feels very nice to have this kind of braid. It does not give your hair that kind of look that it is frizzy or curly, and it gives a very neat tight look on your hair. Once we come to the end of the braiding, we will just end it up with a normal plait. So this is a close-up view of how the hair looks once braided. Very neat, very tidy. You cannot make out that it is frizzy. I'm sure many of y'all must be aware of this kind of hairstyle. It's been in fashion for quite a long time, and people love using it because of a simple reason, that it gives a neat look as well as it attracts people towards how beautiful it looks once used. Saying that, I would also like to mention this same hairstyle can be used in multiple ways. You can use this hairstyle putting 2 braids. You can use this hairstyle with different kind of variations by adding tiny clips, or you can add hair extensions. There are different ways you can enhance the look of your hair with this hairstyle by adding different kind of hair accessories. Do let me know in the comment section, how did you like today's hack? And for those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to send me an email, or you can even get in touch with me on my social media sites. That's all on today's episode. Hope you have liked it. I would love to hear from y'all, and I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.